Hello friends, education. Yes friend, education is key to success. You need to give importance to your education because this will be a foundation for your future success. And in our class, we make you learn to earn. So are you ready to learn and earn? In today's knowledge based economy, what you earn depends on what you learn. So the more you will learn, the more you will earn. We receive 3 educations, one from our parents, one from our school masters, and one from the world. The third contradicts all that the first 2 teach us. Yes friends, first learn and then remove L. Fine, the more you learn, the more you will earn. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. So lifelong you will learn. Learning is a lifelong process. Once you stop learning, you start dying. None other than Albert Einstein said this. Dear past, thank you for the lessons. Dear future, I am ready. This should be your attitude. Dear past, thank you for the lessons. Dear future, I am ready. It's not the time to look for excuses. Yes friend, many students I see nowadays give so many excuses that they don't have time, they are not able to manage time, they are busy, they are not able to concentrate. Lots of excuses you are giving. Friends, among you only there will be someone who will secure all India rank 1. Among you only there are people who secured 100% marks in the subject. So why can't you be that someone? You can also be that someone. To be in the top 1%, you have to be willing to do what the other 99% aren't. Yes friends, you have to sacrifice. The more you will get pain, the more you will gain. No pain, no gain. And finally, if you can read this, thanks a teacher, because once you were not able to read this only, this sentence only was difficult for you unless a teacher comes in your life and made you explain everything. So teacher's importance will always be there in your life. So never ever degrade any teacher, because that's the most important place in anybody's life. If you can read this, thanks a teacher. Let's play a video which will motivate you to achieve success in your life. Fine, sir.
I love you too. I love you all. I believe in the power of words. Many people speak before they think. But I know the value of words. The words can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, they can damage you forever. So I always try to use the positive words in my life wherever I go. They call it adversity, I call it opportunity. They call it weakness, I call it strength. They call me disabled, I call myself differently abled. They see my disability. They see my disability, I see my ability. There are some incidents that happen in your life, and those incidents are so strong that they change your DNA. Those Those incidents or accidents are so strong that they break you physically. They deform your body, but they transform your soul. Those incidents break you, deform you, but they mold you into the best version of you. And it is okay to be scared. It is okay to cry. Everything is okay, but giving up should not be an option. They always say that failure is not an option. Failure should be an option, because when you fail, you get up, and then you fail, and then you get up, and that keeps you going. That's how humans are strong. Failure is an option, should be an option. Giving up is not. Never.
Hope you liked the video. Finally, I just want to say, it's not the time to look for excuses. Dear past, thank you for the lessons. Dear future, I am ready. Fine, sir.